What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk a little bit more about higher roots, and in this topic we have used the product property to simplify expressions with higher roots. It means that if we have nth root of a times b, that will be equal to nth root of a times nth root of b. For example, we have the cube root of x to the power of 4. Answer will be, I can write x to the power of 4 to x to the power of 3 times x, which will be third root of x to the power of 3 times third root of x. The answer to the first one is just x times third root of x. Next example is fourth root of x to the power of 7. Answer is x to the power of 4 times x to the power of 3, which makes it fourth root of x to the power of 4 times fourth root of x to the power of 3. The first part makes it just x, so it's going to be x times fourth root of x cubed. Next example is fourth root of y to the power of 6. Answer is y to the power of 4 times y squared. It makes it fourth root of y to the power of 4 times fourth root of y squared. The first one is y, the second one is fourth root of y squared. Next example is third root of x to the power of 5. Answer is third root of x to the power of 3 times x squared, which makes it third root of x cubed times third root of x squared. That makes it x times third root of x squared. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find lots of videos regarding square roots and radicals and other topics in math and science. Thank you and have a great day.